So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you all the trades we took and I will explain each and every logic behind it. To join our channels you can just click on the link in the description or just message us at our behavior support on Telegram. We provide signals to our members and they are absolutely free for the public members. So here our first signal is for your CAD 5 minutes call. You can set your timer to 5 minutes, the flag timer. In this there was a good support level plus there was a continuation pattern you can check out, and the price reacted from a strong support level. This was our confirmation that buyers were holding the zone. We took a call side opportunity right here with a good entry and we won this trade. The next signal was for our JPY 5 minutes put. Again a very good win right here. In this there was a strong resistance level, I marked it, and the price was rejecting from the resistance level. Plus the moving average was also indicating for the downside. We took an entry at the moving average and the resistance level for the downside and we won this trade. Amazing win. Euro JPY 5 minutes call. The next signal, again a very good win. In this you can clearly see the support level which I've marked, plus the moving average was also there. This was a very good alignment. We took a call side opportunity and this was a very perfect win. You can just check out, amazing win right there for the call side. The next thing was for GBP 5 minutes put. Again a very good win. In this only the people who took entries on EMA won this trade. No one else won because their entry was good, so they won it. I've just written also clearly only the EMA entry were wins. We took an entry on EMA because I already told you guys many times entry matters everywhere. When I just give you the signal, you also have to analyze the chart to take the best entries on the candle. We give the confirmation, then it's your work to take the entries. A very good entry to win the trades. So in this there was a moving average and the price was respecting the moving average, showing continuation. So we took a trade for the downside and we won it when we entered on the moving average. The next thing was for USD JPY 5 minutes put. Again a very good win. You can just see clearly we took a downside trade based on the continuation and we won this trade with an amazing entry. The next thing was for our JPY call 5 minutes. Here there was a good support level plus the moving average was also indicating for the upside. Price reacted from the support level and this was a confirmation for the bullish side. We took this trade and we won it. Euro USD 5 minutes put. Again a very good win. In this there was resistance level. Here you can see a clear resistance level. The price rejected from this zone, plus the moving average was also there and the downtrend was also there. There was 3 confirmations straight away for a downside trade. We took this trade at the moving average for downside and we won it. Like 3 confirmations, a very good trade, amazing win also. The next signal was for GBP 5 minutes call. Amazing win right there. In this there was a strong support level and the price was rejecting from the support level. This was a confirmation that the support level is very good and the buyers defended the zone, giving a clean call side trade and we won it. Amazing entry, amazing win. Session closed with 9 wins. Totally good session, a very good session for today. We just show up every day, we give everyday signals, we explain them every day to you. we do our tasks. Your task is to just be disciplined with the trades and trade good. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.